Try lifting it higher, I can't get the angle right. Get that impact wrench on the lower bolts. They're seized up.
Already on it. Watch the hydraulic line, it's about to burst.
This rust is serious. All right, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that, lifting now.
I can't get this blade off, it's completely frozen. The hydraulics are shot too. This is gonna take a while.
And the lines here are totally corroded. We'll need to replace the entire assembly.
This lower bolt is really stuck.
We need to replace the main cylinder on the lift.
Yeah, this seal is completely blown. We'll use the new impact wrench.
With the plow removed, we can finally focus on the extensive hydraulic repairs and chassis reinforcement required for this beast.
Torque settings are critical on these main bolts.
Got it. Just finishing the last one now. Check the pressure on the auxiliary line.
It's holding steady at 2,000.
Secure the main cylinder now.
The heart of this Arctic beast, the massive diesel engine, is undergoing a complete transmission rebuild.
This connection needs another quarter turn.
Right, I see the mark now.
Go, man.
All right, the transmission is torqued to spec.
Okay, I'm securing the final housing bolt now. We should be ready for the hydraulics next. That reading looks stable now.
Yeah, the hydraulics are fully pressurized. We need this bolt torqued properly before the next coat. I'm on it. It'll be done in a minute. The pressure readings are stable now.
All right, lower it to the floor and let's check the alignment.
We're finalizing the blade alignment here. It's a heavy piece, so the hydraulics need precise tuning. Bring her up to max height. Solid. No leaks, and the angle is perfect.
The impact wrench secures the final bolts before the team begins the crucial calibration of the massive plow blade.